Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by identifying the headset, USB 3, 5mm jack or Bluetooth, because each route needs different fixes. First, inspect the cable, connector, and any inline mute or volume controls. A loose plug or muted button explains many failures. Once done, plug into a known working port and check Windows or macOS sound output to set the headset as the default device. This ensures audio is routed correctly and avoids the common system playing through speakers instead of your headset. Now focus on drivers and software because outdated or corrupt drivers often mute headsets. You should update or reinstall the audio driver and any USB or Bluetooth adapter drivers. If automatic updates fail, get drivers from the manufacturer. Then open the system volume mixer and confirm the correct output per application, because some apps route audio independently. Disable audio enhancements or exclusive mode options to avoid processing conflicts. Finally, test with a different app or a web audio sample. For final fixes, you methodically swap ports and try the headset on another computer to rule out hardware failure. For USB headsets, use a powered hub if current is low. If Bluetooth, unpair and repair and remove old device entries. Make sure Bluetooth drivers are active. Perform a system audio reset or reboot after changes. If none of this restores sound, you either have a faulty headset or deeper system issue. Contact manufacturer support or consider replacement. And as a tip, check physical mute switches first.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.